this is Mike, and welcome to another football viewing video. I'm going to be viewing some football stuff on epicsportsfootball.com. We're going to go ahead and search some stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the helmets. Just helmets. I'm just gonna, not Easton helmets. I don't want that. I want football. What are helmet covers? I have never heard of those. Oh, you put this over your helmets. Helmet covers? Dude, is that a Green Bay Packers hitch? Yeah, that's a helmet hitch. You have a Cowboys hitch? Oh, that's awesome. And they have an Oakland hitch. Let's search up football helmets. Sorry. I have my stepbrother Monk with me. Football helmets. A regular, normal football helmet. Dude, that is awesome. They have the Scotch Recruit Hybrid football helmet. I'm pretty sure it's the same as this one. Recruit A&M one. I'm pretty sure that's the same. That's the one that's signed by a football player. Oh, this one, yeah. The Riddle signed by a football player. You can't really see, but it is. I'm not kidding. Wait. I didn't sign that. You can't really see it. Oh yeah, you can see it. Yeah, so there's a Scotch. Nice helmets. Yeah, pretty nice helmets. Excuse me, guys. We got in face mask, Scott, skull cap, an Adams football helmet, chin strap, a hard cup chin strap, a maroon, a football visor. Watch there. I'm gonna search up some visors. I don't know why. I just feel like searching up visors. Like, I just feel like it. Like, because, dude, I'm gonna be starting footballs this season on August 1st. That's when my first practice starts. So I'm gonna look up some visors. Football. And what? That's not a visor. It's not a visor. It's not working. Hold on, guys. I'm sorry. No. These are not visors. I'm just gonna search up helmet visors. Football helmet. Sorry about that. Football helmet visors. That's the only one they freaking have?
Wait, slow down.
No, you're right.
No, they don't. Yeah, that's
They're all like some visors, like caps.
Okay, take it over. Yeah, that's the only visor they have. I thought they would have more. Anyway, let's search up, no. Football. Okay.
I'm back. Monk's here, Monk. And football towels.
Oh yeah, towels.
Dude,
Trees. What are football trees?
I don't know.
Football
Look, they have a Scott game day freaking football towel. Dude, for breast cancer awareness, dude, that's a towel I'm gonna wear. Because I did breast cancer. And then whatever team color we are, then I'm just gonna wear like a. Dude, I'm gonna look at red football towels. Red. Look, they have red freaking footballs. Look at Nike. Nike. I love Nike. I'm gonna make more videos, but this is gonna be the end. I'm very sorry. So, bye bye.